Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you this academic planner. It's the one we've been working on over the past couple of videos using the data merge file. Again, I give the data merge file away if you want to make something more advanced. Watch the other videos, I've linked them below, but this is what you're going to get. So it's 115 pages, you get a title page, and then it goes straight into the planner. This planner goes from August 2024 to August 2025. And it's just very simple. We have the date, the day, and the year. On the first instance of every month, we'll also have the month title there. And it just repeats throughout. Now, there are ways that you can, if you were going to make this yourself, there are ways that you can enhance it using the dataset file that I've given you in the previous videos. And you can use that file to create something like this. These are the planners I normally make. We have a title page there. We've got pages for contacts. We've got important dates for the 2 years that the diary spread over. We've got decorations around the outside of the page. I've split up each day into certain segments. I've got a weekly priority list and a space for notes. I've got monthly at a glance. I've got monthly to-do lists. Again, it just repeats down. And at the bottom, I've got timetables. That's something you can do if you were to download the dataset and watch the previous videos. But if you can't be bothered to do that, then here's a free, simple planner. To get the planner, there is a link in the description to my Gumroad shop. I forgot all my words there. It's linked in the Gumroad shop, and there will be a password on it, or a discount code, and that discount code is exactly the same as the discount code for the data merge set for academic year 24-25. That video will be linked below. Find the password in there. You should have already watched this if you watch that if you're watching this one. Watch that video, you'll find the password. It's exactly the same. Put that in and you get this academic planner for absolutely nothing. Do what you want with it. You can put it on KDP or you can put it on Etsy. People do buy these sort of things. If you want to make something more fancy, use the data merge set and create your own. Create something like this. You can use the backgrounds to niche down your ideas. So you can just, like with this one, it's still perfectly fine. You put different covers on it and target it at different people. Different types of student, law student, university, college, high school, even teachers, or people who work in the academic field. Different covers, that'll be fine. With this more fancy one that you make yourself, you can do that, but you can also niche down the interiors, change the fonts, make the background into cats or something, or whatever, niche down into that. So instead of seeing academic planner where you'd be competing with tens of thousands, you could have one like football or crazy cats, cute cats for dog mothers, whatever. Do your research, niche it down, get this technically one book in front of hundreds of different sets of potential buyers. Now, as I've made this video, it is very early June, so that gives you a couple of months to get these planners made and uploaded. Remember, KDP limit is 3 per day, and it mentions it could take up to 10 days for low content books to be accepted and go live on Amazon. So get them in now, give yourself the best chance to make some money. So thanks for watching. Remember, download this for free by watching the video linked below in the description. Find the password there. That video will also give you access to the data merge manager set, which is here. give you access to these two sheets here, which will help you make a more advanced version of the planner than this one here. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.